It smells really, really nice, and I just love it. It's super, super creamy.
Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so grateful for my ex.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 6, and I thought I would do something a little bit different and give you like a main channel style video, just like a regular video. So today, there's really no vlog. We're just gonna be doing a video, and I am going to be doing a trade with Rachel from Rachelvids and Slimy Lush Co. on Instagram. I am so excited, and before I get into it, I do want to let you all know that this is long overdue, honey. She sent me this package way before Slime Bash, and I feel so incredibly awful. I am so sorry. So if any of the slimes are melted or anything like that, it is totally my fault. It has nothing to do with Rachel or her slime making talents. So yeah, I just wanted to preface with that. So let's get started, shall we? I am so excited, y'all. Okay. Ooh, this looks so colorful. Okay, so first off, we have a little squishy here. This is super cute. It's like a ice cream cone. Looks kind of like cotton candy-ish, and it's really, really cute. Thank you. There is so much slime in here. I'm shook. I don't even remember how much slime like we said we were gonna trade, so I'm pretty shook right now. 2, 4, 6, 8 slimes. And some giant Laffy Taffies. Thank you so much. So I have 8 slimes here to show you all, and I'm really excited. Rachel also sent me a little baggie of borax with a thank you note and slime care instructions. So this first slime here is called Bubble Bath. This is actually a little bit melted because it is a clear base slime. Like I said, I've literally had this for probably over a month already. Homie is melted. I am so sorry about that, but I'm going to activate it and I'll insert a clip here. Okay, so I actually activated this one and it made it super bubbly and it did not do justice to the slime whatsoever. So I am going to just update you all on Instagram once it clears and I will post a video then. Next up, we have Cucumber Melon. This is one of her best sellers, so I'm really excited for this one. This one is as well a little bit melted, but like I said, it is totally my fault. Okay, so I just reactivated Cucumber Melon and she is a thick queen, honey, and super, super glossy. I'm gonna give you a close-up real quick. This next slime is called Strawberry Banana Cream, and I love the labels on there. They're so freaking cute. This one, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it reminds me of Trix yogurt. Oh, this texture is everything. This is like a cloud slime. We're gonna drizzle this bad boy right now, okay? Is this, oh no, this is not a cloud slime, I'm sorry. This is a cloud cream. But it almost drizzled like a cloud slime. Isn't that crazy? This is so good though. It smells really, really nice. It smells really, really nice, and I just love it. It's super, super creamy. Next up, we have Pink Birthday Bash. So let's check this one out. Oh, this one looks like it's gonna be thick because it was literally wanting to snatch the lid off. It's a little bit tacky, but I think that's just to keep the foam beads in. So I'm not going to activate it until I mix the beads in. Let's find out. Just as I thought, this is really good. It is a super crunchy foam, and it just needed to be mixed together because the foam beads is separated from the slime. Whenever you have a like full foam slime like this, you need it to be a little bit tacky or sticky just because it needs to hold in all of this glory. This next one is called Mickey's Dole Whip, and this looks super, super cute. It has like Mickey sprinkles at the bottom. Oh, and it smells just like pineapple. This one is a cloud slime for sure. I know it. Okay, let's get this drizzleation going on, okay? Let's see if I can do it like all the famous Instagram slimers. It's so hard to drizzle a cloud slime sometimes. Like the pressure is always on, you know? People on Instagram make it look so easy. Oh. Okay, so this one, as you can see, it doesn't have like that super fast drizzle. It has more of a slow drizzle. But this slime is freezing right now. It's literally really cold because it's really cold in here. So I'm guessing that's what it is. Next up, we have Baja Blast Freeze. Let's see what this one's about. Ooh, this one looks like a jelly slime. And it's going to need some activator as well, but like I said, it's totally my fault. I'm so sorry, Rachel. Don't hate me. This smells really good. It smells like frozen margarita, I think, or something like that. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, the jelliness of this slime, y'all, it feels so freaking cool. Next up is Frozen Lemonade. So let's see, this one looks like it's a Snow Fizz maybe? This one is clear based as well, so it is melted. I'm sorry, I can't say that enough. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Ooh, this one's a crunchy gal. This Snow Fizz is super, super crunchy. I love this so much. The scent is a little bit overwhelming, but I love the texture of the slime and it totally like makes up for it, I think. last but not least, we have a Rice Krispie Treats, and this one looks like it's a full foam as well, so I'm really excited because the last full foam, the pink birthday bash, was gold. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it's actually like a snow fizz and a foam, like all together. That is awesome. Alrighty, y'all, that was pretty much it for this trade with Rachel from Slimy Lush Co. and Rachelvids here on YouTube. So in the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes were your favorite. I think my favorite had to be the pink birthday bash. It was just really good. Also, don't forget that this was a trade and Rachel actually posted a video of the slimes that I gave her. So if you want to go ahead and see what slimes I gave her, make sure you go ahead and check her out. The link will be down in the description box below. And I kind of have another question for you all. Do you like this kind of style? I know it's supposed to be vlogmas and I'm supposed to do vlogs, but technically I can do what I want. So let me know if you want more videos like this for vlogmas, because I can definitely do that. I'm a real person and sometimes I literally do nothing all day. So there's really nothing to vlog. So on those days I could really like pump out a video like this or something. So let me know. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much. And I will see you tomorrow with another video, because it's vlogmas and I'm uploading every day for Christmas. So be prepared. Glue your wigs. Staple them down. Just make sure they're secure. I am a mess. I will see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. I love you so very freaking much. Bye!